The world around us is changing. A new reality, dictated by terrorist organizations, forces us to adapt and distribute efficient and rapid tools for hemorrhage control to first responders. To each and every one of us, it can happen at any given moment, anywhere, anytime. On our way to work, or just walking down the street, in our car, or at the office. As first responders, and even as ordinary citizens, there is a chance that we will need to provide first aid. When that happens, we would like to be able to act quickly and intuitively. That is why the 4BC by Persis Medical was created. A small, sophisticated, and convenient hemorrhage control kit for quick use is a must. It could make the difference between life and death. Within hand's reach, you have it all that you need to control the bleed, directly, without hesitation. The 4BC is a game changer in the realm of first and immediate responder hemorrhage control concept. All you need is here. Reachable, doable, saving lives. The 4BC, First and Immediate Responder Kit by Persis Medical.